Hey there, tech aficionados. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of HTTP custom premium UDP settings. Join me on this journey as we explore the steps to enhance your digital experience through customized configurations and seamless integration. Let's unlock a world of possibilities together. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Initiating the setup. Let's kick things off by opening Chrome and searching for the UDP custom site. Feel the anticipation as you navigate to the digital gateway that will lead you to premium UDP settings tailored to your preferences. Step 2. Navigating the site. Upon landing on the site, feel the excitement as you tap on the menu button, symbolized by the 3 lines. This action will open up a world of options and possibilities, setting the stage for your customization journey. Step 3. Selecting Create UDP Server. Among the array of options presented, select the Create UDP Server option. Feel the empowerment as you take a step towards establishing a personalized server configuration that aligns with your digital needs. Step 4. Choosing UDP Custom Server. Delve deeper into the customization process by selecting the UDP Custom Server option. This choice will set the foundation for a tailored server setup that caters to your unique requirements. Step 5. Account Creation. Enter your username and password, and with a sense of purpose, click on Create Now. Experience a surge of accomplishment as you successfully create your UDP account, a key step towards enhancing your digital connectivity. Step 6. Copy account details. After account creation, ensure to copy the account details as they will play a crucial role in configuring HTTP custom settings. This information will serve as the bridge connecting your UDP settings to the HTTP custom app. Step 7. Installing HTTP custom. Transition to the world of applications by opening the Google Play Store to install the HTTP custom app. Feel the anticipation build as you unlock a powerful tool that will elevate your digital experience. Step 8. Accessing the app. Upon installation, open the HTTP custom app and navigate to its home screen. Feel the excitement as you prepare to integrate your UDP account details into the app for a seamless connection. Step 9. Pasting account details. With precision and accuracy, paste the copied UDP account details into their respective fields within the HTTP custom app. Experience the satisfaction of setting up a personalized connection that enhances your digital functionality. Step 10. Enabling UDP Custom Box. Activate the UDP Custom Box within the app. Feel a sense of empowerment as you customize your settings to align with your preferences, optimizing your digital experience. Step 11. Connecting. In a moment of culmination, tap on the Connect button. Feel the thrill as your customized settings seamlessly come together, establishing a powerful connection that enhances your digital connectivity and functionality. Conclusion. In conclusion, the journey from setting up HTTP custom premium UDP settings to establishing a connection is a testament to the power of customization and digital empowerment. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications to stay updated on our future content. Your engagement fuels our passion for delivering valuable tech insights. Feel free to comment if you need further clarification on any step. Thank you for joining me on this exciting and enriching journey of digital transformation.